Hello, my name is Gary Talbot and I've been a science teacher for over 10 years. I'm here today at Elementary Technology in Leeds at the Customer Experience Centre. I'm going to show you how you can use a visualiser in your lesson so that all pupils can see what's going on. So as a science teacher, I often do practical experiments and all the pupils have to come round the front, and it can be quite difficult to show things, especially things which are quite small or delicate, or techniques that I'm using by hand, so that everyone can see. By using a visualiser, so this visualiser is an Ava M17. This is a really high quality visualiser. You can buy other ones on the market for a cheaper price, but I'd recommend a really good high quality visualiser when you're doing something like this. Just before I do the experiment, what I can do is I can press record on my visualiser so that anything I do under it is recorded, which I can play back during the lesson so that pupils can see what they're doing again, or I could put it onto the school's VLE, YouTube page or website for revision purposes later on. So the particular experiment, if you've never seen this one before, is chromatography, and what you have to do is tell pupils to draw a line with a pencil and a ruler just a little bit from the bottom of the chromatography paper. So you can show that really easily using the visualiser, whereas if everyone's around the front it's a lot more difficult. And then again, showing the technique of putting some ink onto the paper can be quite difficult if you're doing it in front of the whole class. You can see I put that on there and pupils can see that instantly and nobody gets left out. And then I'm just going to put my piece of paper, bend it over onto a wooden splint, and I'm going to pop that into my solvent there. So this is a great way to show something that you can't normally see if you're crowded around a group. It works really well in other subjects too. So for example, art, where you want to show a particular drawing technique, it's really good to show it so that everybody can see. And again, with the use of video recording, it's easily shareable with other teachers within your department or with pupils after the lesson. So I'm just going to show you the video which I recorded whilst doing the demonstration. So you can see it's recorded and you can see each an individual technique that I'm using from above, and you can obviously keep replaying this and replaying this so the pupils are not sure what to do, it's there for them. For more tips and tricks, head over to my blog on the Elementary Technology website.